Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing from a company, LuvMe Hair. I purchased a wig from them, I think 20 inches, a closure wig. So I just want to show you guys how I received the package and basically an initial review on the hair that I purchased from LuvMe Hair. So stay tuned. So this is the package. It came in DHL packaging. The shipping, honestly, I think the shipping took about a week and a half. Like, the actual shipping doesn't take long. It all depends on when they ship the hair out. Let me open this. The shipping doesn't take that long. I actually think it depends when they decide to ship the hair out, which was the longest process in getting my mail, but I mean it only took about 3 business days from when they shipped it out. So the shipping is pretty fast. I give it 5 stars for that. It comes with I guess a wig stand. This is my first time getting a wig stand from a company. This is the box right here. It says LuvMe Virgin Hair. You open it. Oh wow, they sent me a flat iron. Mind you, I only spent $200 on the wig, so I think it came to like 200 and some change. They sent me a wig, a flat iron. It goes up to 220 degrees. That's pretty cool. That was nice. I have they sent a bag. Inside the bag it comes with a comb, an elastic band, bobby pins, 2 clips, and a pair of tweezers. Okay. This is cute. You could put it like in your purse or like a little makeup bag. And they sent a wig cap with 2 wig caps in it, and then just this. So the wig came in this purple bag. It says LuvMe Virgin Hair, and I got a closure wig like I stated before. They really wrapped this hair in this net because, wow, it's mad staticky. Okay, so this hair is looking, it feels soft. It's very full. I can tell straight off the back. It comes with an elastic band already sewn in, as well as the adjustable straps that wigs normally have. It has 4 combs, has 1 in the back, 1 behind the closure, and 2 on the side. It says the cap size is medium. I mean, my cap size is usually a small. I'm not sure. I don't think I selected a cap size, so I'm not really worried about that. But inside the cap, it does say medium. This hair looks very nice, like, and it's a closure wig, so it has the net underneath that you would normally just cut. And then as far as the knots, like, they definitely need to be bleached, and I'm gonna cut that lace part off for you guys so you guys can see the actual closure. I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots simply because when you bleach knots, it usually makes the hair weaker, and I don't want this closure to start balding, so I'll probably just put makeup on it. So this is what the closure looks like against my skin. It's not bad. And then it comes with a little bit of baby hairs as well.